Alright guys, here's a tutorial on how to complete the What's in Food assignment using the United States Department of Agricultural Food Data Central Database. First, you should already have this table drawn in your notebook. So to help fill out the table, you're going to make sure you write in your favorite 3 foods in the first column, and then you're going to click on the link to go to the Food Data Central Database. Once you are there, you'll type in the name of your first favorite food. So if it were me, I might type in watermelon and then click enter. Now, a lot of you are going to freak out because you will see 0 results in the Foundation Food tab. Don't freak out. There are other tabs that you can use. I suggest either the SR Legacy Foods or the Branded Foods tabs. I'm going to do the SR Legacy Foods tab. And lo and behold, I do have 2 results, one of which is raw watermelon, delicious. So I'm going to click on that link to get the nutrient data for raw watermelon. First thing you're going to do is look up the protein content and write that in your table in the first column. Then you're going to find the lipid content and write that in the second column, and then the carbohydrate by difference data, and write that in the third column, and then the sugars data total including NLEA, and you're going to write that in the fourth column under sugars. Okay, when you're done, the first row should look something like this with different numbers because your favorite food may or may not be watermelon. To fill out or to find data for favorite food 2 and favorite food 3, you'll just scroll up to the top and click the home button to run a search for favorite food number 2 and favorite food number 3, whatever your favorite foods happen to be. Piece of cake, guys. Should not be a problem at all. Good luck, and I'll be back to class soon.